Chesapeake Energy, you can see there on the homepage again, Chesapeake Energy, big story today, agreeing to shake up its board. 4 new members, looks like they'll be coming on board, pun intended there, right? Let's get Ryan Dezember with us. He is here today to give us the details on this one. This one broke this morning, right? This is a
Correct.
New story?
Yeah.
So tell me what's going on and tell me how Carl Icahn, of course, fits into all this.
Well, Carl Icahn built a 7.5% stake in Chesapeake in the last month or so. He's invested in Chesapeake before, but he kind of did it as a trade, made a lot of money when everyone kind of piled in after him. This time he looks to be staying. Either he gets a seat on Chesapeake's board or he gets to appoint someone. Now Chesapeake has also said that they'll let Southeastern Management, an investment group out of Memphis, pick 3 directors as well. And that's kind of, investors have been pushing for a long time to get independent directors. A lot of people on Chesapeake's board are very close to the company. And this along with a new chairman that they're searching for now, an independent chairman to replace founder and CEO Aubrey McClendon, will give them, about 5 new faces on the board, and added to a guy last year.
I mean, you're only talking about a 9-member board of directors, right? So I mean, it is a big shakeup.
Big change.
Let's talk about the man you can see right there on the image, Aubrey McClendon, founder of the company, CEO, was a chairman. Where does this, I mean, he is embattled, to put it politely. Where does he stand right now?
Well, he's still going to be on the board of directors. He just won't be the chairman. It's really hard to imagine Chesapeake without him. The company he is Chesapeake and Chesapeake is him.
Right.
And right now, Chesapeake's in a position where they really have to sell. They have to sell. Jefferies just put out a note, the investment bank, saying that they think they have to sell about $7 billion worth of assets to stay within their credit and loan covenants just this year. The company's aiming for much more, about $11 billion. And really, if you need somebody to sell, to make deals in the oil patch, he's kind of the guy to do it. He's got a track record doing so. So I don't know that, we won't see him go anywhere, but certainly this represents a pretty big shift for the company, which was always kind of defensive against this kind of suggestion.
Right. Now, Chesapeake, the stock is up today. Not a huge number. I think it's up about 2%. And you can see there we have that's a 6-month chart. You can see, starting in March, the slide there, the serious slide. Is this move, is this shakeup of the board going to be enough to satisfy investors who have really been, I mean, you look at the book value of this company, right? This company is sharply being downgraded by investors.
Right. Their assets, by a multiple of, maybe 4 or 5, who knows. The company's much more valuable than it trades on the market by assets. This will help, certainly, but really it comes down to whether they can sell these assets and how they come out of this year and what their financial plan is going into next year. People want to see proof that they can kind of live within their means, execute. They're famous for building these huge positions that everyone then follows into them, the Exxons and the Devons and everyone else. But they haven't really shown that they can, they really have to just drill and get back to selling oil and gas.